Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me.
Hey guys, I do apologize about the way I look and about the way the camera looks. I know the camera angle is really bad, the quality is really bad, but I record off my phone. So for right now, I am about to go to my hair appointment, and as you can see, I just need to pick my hair out. I don't really blow dry my hair out, but I do use heat protecting spray on my hair just in case they like try to put heat on my hair. I don't want any damage. I don't blow dry my hair out, but I am gonna pick my hair out really good so she's able to just braid it. I'm not even gonna tell you guys what style I'm gonna get, but I'm so excited. It's my 20th birthday. I'm officially a grown woman, and I'm excited to show you guys and bring you along with me. Hang out with me for my birthday today and enjoy.
In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, let more. I don't know why you love me, yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else but you. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do. Ride around the love, ride around the trip, ride around the dick, ride around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Ride around the world, clearly ride around, talk to me. Oh,
Good morning guys, I'm so excited. Today is the 15th. My birthday is on the 17th. Today for Thursday, I will be traveling downtown and I will begin on top of the Union Station building to take my pictures. My dress came in from Shein. I ordered 3 dresses. One dress that I purchased last year on my birthday. And when I was pregnant, I decided to go with that dress. This year, I'm not pregnant, as you can see. I have my son, so I kind of wanted to recreate that picture today. And I want to take you guys along with me to do that. You know, you're only 21. I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me. I put on my Black Girl sunscreen, so I'm kind of glowing. I love that for me. Next, I'm just gonna try to spiffy up my lace. As you can see, she's looking a little dry right now. So right now, I'm gonna work on my wig. And I'm gonna do my hair, and I'm gonna try to lay my hair. And then next, we'll see what we have in store, so stay tuned.
back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah, flexing on my exes and my model ex, pretty little. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out.
Is that what this is? Is it a meal pack? Baby, what is this? Oh, you think you're so slick. Oh.
Can have this, baby. Nobody else but you.
Hope you like it.
I love it. What does it say? Oh, this is our birthstone. Oh my god.
Look at that ass.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get
I need you to do it one more time.
One more time?
Yeah, I need you to do it one more time. Franklin, go. The definition of lock in before I tweak out. Yo.
Look at that man over there just watching.
He's probably like, what the fuck am I looking at? It's hard to claim these people as my family, man.
Oh, that's what we're going to.
Huh?
That's
I
right.
got so good at it, bro.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know.